Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download the premium models in Sketchfab for free. As you can see there, we have this model and I'm going to show you how you can download it for free from Sketchfab. You simply have to copy the link of the model that you want, and then you have to download the following tool, which is free, but it has a daily limit. So if you want the premium tool, you can uh, contact us to get this tool, but the free model is already free, so you can find the link for it in description. You simply have to run the tool, and from here you can select the animations and the download format and simply click on download, and there you can see it's now downloading the 3D model, which was a premium model in the Sketchfab. And as you can see, now it's downloaded successfully. Now let's import it into Blender. You can also import this model in any other software like Unreal Engine or Unity. So guys, there you can see we have downloaded this premium model for free from Sketchfab. So that's how you can download these models. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.